Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily report a post on Reddit application. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all, open up the Reddit application on your phone. You can follow the exact same steps if you're on an iPhone or an Android. So for example, you want to report a random post like this. For example, I want to remove this post, sports watchdog under scrutiny. All you have to do is to tap on three dots on the top right corner of the post, and you'll be able to find a lot of different options. All you have to do is to tap on report just under cross post to a community, and you'll be able to find a lot of different reasons that why you want to remove or report this post. For example, I have simply select spam and then tap on next, and you can select any of these and then submit. And it says thanks for your report, and then if you want to block that particular account, you can also turn this on, or you can simply turn it off and then tap on done, and that particular post will be reported on Reddit. So I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comments.